every now and then you'll get an Etsy email or a notification on your dashboard that says, this is how much you made with offsite ads. And it says, how many visits and how much you made with it. But then you think, but I don't have offsite ads turned on, so how can that be? Well, Etsy's offsite ads are something that they want you to turn on, obviously. So when they send these messages out, they're sending them to people who probably don't have them turned on, and they're trying to entice you into turning them on by showing you how much traffic you're getting through offsite ads that someone else has clicked on and gone to someone else's shop. So if someone is on Google or Pinterest or Facebook or wherever Etsy happens to be advertising, and they click on an offsite ad and it takes them to someone's shop on Etsy, just anyone's shop, if that person then goes to your shop, even though it wasn't your item on the ad that they clicked on, if they go to your shop and buy something, Etsy attributes that to the offsite ad, but nobody pays for the cost as far as sellers go. Etsy pays for the full cost of that offsite ad. And when we're paying our 12 to 15% of the offsite ads fees, that only covers about 40%, I believe, about 40% of the cost of offsite ads. So Etsy is paying for the offsite ads, and we're just kind of subsidizing it with that fee. But if you don't have offsite ads turned on, Etsy still wants you to think that it would be a good idea to turn them on. So what they do is they send you this notification and it says, this is how much you made. And then it will tell you how much that you made. And you might want to think, oh, maybe I should turn them on because I'll make more. Don't necessarily do that, because why would you? I mean, if you're getting sales from these ads, but you're not paying a fee because they started off in someone else's shop, that's good, but it doesn't mean that you're going to get more sales if you turn them on, and you will be paying the fee then if you turn them on. So that's what that means. It just means that somebody came from an offsite ad to anywhere on Etsy, and then they eventually ended up in your shop and bought something. It doesn't mean that it's a good thing to turn offsite ads on. You have to make that decision for yourself. So don't be fooled, but that's what that means. And just because you have offsite ads off, it doesn't mean that people who clicked on an ad won't eventually end up in your shop and buy something. And that's what Etsy is saying. This is how much you made based on an offsite ad, but it doesn't mean that you had to pay the fee for that. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.